Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is Champagne S3 here with a quick update on the repair on my 2017 Audi S3. Now for you guys that are unaware of the situation, make sure you check the video. I'm probably going to link it up in the corner somewhere here. The video entails basically what happened with the car, the damage, and what the next steps are to get this car back on the road. So this car is currently with Almost Racing in Markham. It is in good hands, so I'm super grateful for Phil and the rest of the team over there. I'm sure this car is going to be back on the road and just it's going to be better than ever. The shop that built my motor last, actually there was some negligence when they were putting the head back together, which resulted in damage that was progressively getting worse over time. And at the end of the day, I was consistently getting limp mode every time I drove the car, and it was basically undrivable. With that being said, in short, the head has pretty extensive damage. I have to replace a bunch of parts, the intake and exhaust, camshafts, the cam bridge, a bunch of the rollers, actually all the rollers, and pretty sure there's a few other parts I'm missing. So with that being said, since it's already opened, one thing I missed out on before was upgrading the valve train, specifically these valve springs and retainers. So since it's open, I'm going to be doing that as well. Now, with all these parts, I knew it was not going to be cheap by any means, and we sent out the parts list over to Nico, who usually helps me out with getting some stuff for the S3. Yeah, the cost was coming up to about $5,000 Canadian before taxes. So definitely not a price I was looking to spend anytime soon, especially with everything going on with the 2022 refresh for the car. I want to give a huge shout out to Nico. This guy's come through for me so many times. So he's helped me out large, and he was able to get these parts for me and save me more than $2,000. So I'll probably link or attach in text here the original quote versus the savings. Also shout out to Eric at JSpec for helping me get the SuperTech valve springs and retainers. Those actually just dropped, they came in, so I'm going to be heading out to pick that up shortly. Before we go over all the replacement parts, I want to give a bit of a spotlight to the parts that are still remaining to be installed onto the S3. So of course I revealed my Recaro Sportster CS seat. We did a cool vinyl accent on the back of the seat, so I'm really excited to get this in the car. I also got a pretty dope carbon fiber steering wheel. It does have a more of an aggressive shape, which is exactly what I was looking for. It feels really nice in the hand, and actually on the back edge here there's like some kind of knurling going on back here for your fingertips. Actually feels really nice. I'm going to link down in the description about the supplier I got this from. It's not a big name brand for some of you guys that are curious. Actually, a lot of these big name brands, they get their product directly from suppliers just like this. Also, with that being said, we got my Lamborghini Urus style paddle shifters. These are real carbon fiber as well. I think it'd be a nice complement to the carbon fiber steering wheel. So definitely going to get an installation video for the wheel, the paddles, as well as the Recaro seat. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. One quick thing I want to share with you guys is we are going to reveal another phase for the 2022 refresh. So I've been holding on to this for a while, but I don't really have much content to share with you until I get the car back. So I'm going to reveal that in this video right now. Here we go. That's right. We have got an airlift 3P kit to install onto the car. The one compressor system. I bought this locally. I got a crazy deal that I couldn't pass up on, and I always told myself that if I was ever going to go with air suspension, it would have to be if I got a crazy deal. So definitely really excited to get these on the car. Another cool thing that these included were the DCC deletes. Now these alone are quite expensive, so these were thrown in the package. I don't know, I'm probably going to go with a basic trunk setup As you can see, this is already mounted on a mat from the Golf R. And I think I'm just going to keep it basic for this year. So I'm undecided if I'm going to try to tackle this installation on my own or if I'm just going to simply get a shop to install it. I'll probably decide in the next week or so, but I think I might be leaning more towards a shop to install it for me. So as promised, we're going to take a quick look at some of these parts. So this is the cam bridge right here. If you saw in the last video, the surface on the inside here, they were badly scored. So they were really badly scored and resulted in a lot of the oil pressure being lost. So this needs to be replaced. Here I believe are one of the camshafts. So here we have the parts that go just under the rollers, labeled as adjusters here. We got a variety of parts here. So we had to replace the full set. We also have to replace all of the rollers. Because the amount of aluminum that was being, thrown around the system, it was just best that we replaced everything. And from my other video, the damage was really apparent and these were really scored badly. The camshafts were really scored as well, so both have to be replaced. This is one of them. I'm not too sure if this is intake or exhaust side. And then the other one is in this box right here. All right, so we're just hopping in the car right now. We are gonna pick up the last parts, which are the SuperTech valve springs and retainers. And we're gonna drop all the parts off to Phil at Almost Racing. So let's head over to JSpec and let's see Eric and what he's up to. Eric, JSpec BRZ. My boys represent Badgeskins. Advin. These wheels are dope, man. This is like the next level of my wheels on my S3. SuperTech.
You can open, it's already open.
Yeah. Thanks for hooking up with super awesome price.
No problem.
With the man. JSpec BRZ.
So, all retainers are here. And then...
So, Mr. Expert.
I am not an expert.
Why do people get valve springs and retainers?
I don't know, John. Why do people get valve springs and retainers? What happened to yours? That is it.
Thank you, good sir.
No problems.
Bye, boo-boo.
Yeah, boo-boo.
We're here at Almost Racing and look who we found. Mr. Peter here. And this here is Lucas's Arteon. It's a little bit dirty, so it doesn't do it justice, but yeah, of course we did. Badgeskins. Give the Badgeskins love here. And this is Peter. He put that new Aerofab wing on it. And we recently redid all his fluorescent colors on his car. So as you know, if you don't know, fluorescent colors are always going to fade. The more they are in direct sunlight, they will fade over time. So it's definitely not a permanent solution, but definitely it looks freaking awesome. Here's the S3. Hopefully I see this car in the next few weeks. And here we just dropped off all the parts. Who's this?
Hey guys, Ross Shooter here. We got Champagne S3's Audi S3. We got 4 exhaust tips for 400 plus horsepower.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying?
200. It's gotta be more than that.
I hope so with that big turbo.
It's gotta be more than that.
Let's see what's going on here.
So what are we doing here, Pete? Why are we here?
We're here taking photos for Aerofab. Just get some development photos for before shots.
Yep.
And then you'll probably see our Mark 8.
There's Phil, there's the man.
I'm happy today.
Why are you happy?
Scoring, everything's good.
Scoring, no more scoring, eh?
Scoring.
Oh wow.
Scoring.
I love that part of the video. And what are we doing on the shop R Mark 8?
We're getting springs installed. Yeah.
There you go.
Finally. So we're gonna start modifying the car slowly, and hopefully by the time we go to Eurokracy, it'll be
It'll be all set up, right?
It'll be different, yeah.
So this is like mini like Vagcraft prep. Hey Adam. Hey buddy.
What's up?
How we doing today? Another day at the office?
Another hot day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anything new and exciting?
Always something new and exciting.
This is really sick here.
Oh, that's cool.
Powder coated valve cover and
Oh, that's dope actually.
lower.
Is this Urus?
This is ours old.
Oh yeah?
Sold it, right?
Yeah, he sold it.
Oh, he sold it.
Full built motor.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's it rated for?
This one will hold up to, I would say, if you can get a turbo that'll support it, this one would be up in the 7 to 8 neighborhood before you'd run any risk.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a JE bottom end.
I guess
Nice.
JE pistons, IE Tuscan rods, ARP bolts all throughout, ARP head studs, full valve train.
I guess the head will be the only limiting part of this build.
Yeah,
the
yeah,
flow
but
of the
there's
head.
even been a little bit of a light polish on it.
Okay.
If you
Oh,
look
yeah.
at the ports there, that is definitely not
It's not fully ported though.
not fully
No.
ported.
Just a
Just
slight polish.
just a bit of a polish and a blend.
Yeah.
Very nice.
But these heads flow pretty phenomenally.
I guess once you're past like 600, that's the only time you'll feel it.
Yeah,
Being
yeah.
a
It's-
restriction.
yeah,
But how many people actually go over 600?
not many. We've only had a few customers that break that threshold, and everything's held together. So
Very nice.
So John's next.
Hopefully, yeah.
600 plus. We have to.
So let's
see it.
hope there's no more problems. Fingers crossed.
You're in good,
well, that's why
hands.
you're here.
Yes,
That's why
exactly.
you're here,
You're in good hands.
Definitely. This thing's gonna be lowered soon. Alright, Lucas.
See you later.
Take care, man.
Take care.
Time for a vlog.
The only thing I don't really like is the white suit. I guess that can't be helped.
This is all for Vagcraft prep. Peter's doing a little test run. We got our tent here. Just testing it out. Hey! Got the backing and the side banner. It's a lot bigger than I thought, actually. Yeah, but I couldn't like really like picture this. What do you think? You kind of like undecided? Yeah.
Looks dope though.
Hey. Oh, that was a good photo. Got the clouds in there. Alright, so we are back here at home, and unfortunately I did not get any footage of the lowering springs being installed on the Mark 8 Golf R. However, maybe I'll get some footage for the next video. I was just kind of running short on time. Just a quick recap of the video. We've dropped all of the parts needed for the repair on the S3 to Almost Racing. The only thing we're waiting on is actually a big piece is the turbo. The TPC 900 is with Nick currently at TPC. I spoke to him actually earlier today, and he said that they're looking to ship the turbo back to Almost Racing probably by this Friday. So final piece of the puzzle, and then we can slap it all together and get this car back on the road. You know, it's unfortunate. I did miss a lot of events for the summer, and you know, a lot of like car shows. And you know what? It is what it is. There's never a good time for a car to go down. I'm just happy the car is in the right hands and it is being taken care of right now. If you guys like this content, make sure you hit the like button. Consider subscribing to my channel. Take a look at Almost Racing for all of your European car needs. And I'll definitely drop you guys some more updates along the way. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching another video. Happy modding as always, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.